Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. In this video, would tell you about the testing job opportunities, and we are going to share with you the remote job opportunities, the work from home, the work from office job opportunities as well. So let me share those details with you. So the first requirement is of a QA, and there's the name of the company, and they're hiring for the position of QA. Experience required is minimum 2 years. It's a work from office job opportunity, and the location is Ahmedabad. The background is IT background should be must. So if you have done engineering, then computer science or information systems, or if you have done MCA, then that's also fine. But they want someone from the IT background only, and they're looking for someone who's having strong proficiency in manual and automated testing techniques, solid understanding of QA methodologies, tools, processes, excellent communication skills, and attention to detail. And you can apply to this particular email address. Then there's an opportunity for manual testers with 5 to 8 years of experience for NetSmart's Mohali location, and they're looking for immediate joiners. So there's a link. I'll be sharing this link in the comment section of the video. The first comment of the video that you will see over there, this link you will be able to see. You can navigate to this link and you can apply over there. Next requirement is for a manual tester. It's a remote job opportunity, USA time zone. So, sorry, so there is a requirement with respect to Cygate Global OPC Private Limited, and location is remote, work from home fully. Role is manual tester, experience is 1 to 3 years, and industry is software IT services, and you can apply at this particular email address. Then there's a requirement for writer AI operations. So again, it's an 100% remote job opportunity. Work from Monday to Friday, and um, it could be a part-time 20 hours per week or full-time 40 hours per week. So they are looking for senior technical writer who can create clear instructions, SOPs, and training content for AI-driven workflows. What you will do? So you'll have to write human task instructions, develop training documentations, internal knowledge base you'll have to update, collaborate with engineering, product, and research teams. And this is the email address where you can apply. 10 plus years of experience is required. Then Infosys is hiring for Selenium testing role, and this is the referral email address wherein you can share your updated resume. And if you are someone who is already referred by someone else, or you have already created any profile in the Infosys portal by yourself, or you have appeared in an interview with last 6 months, so you should not do this. So any person who is following these 3 points should not apply. Apart from that, other people can share the updated resume to this particular email address. 3 to 6 years of experience is required, and location is Bangalore, Mysore. And you need to share your updated resume with the details below as a technology name with referral code, full name, email and contact details, current organization, date of birth, total experience, present location, primary skill. All these things are required. Apart from this, there are many other opportunities. So let me share those details with you. So first is with respect to case point. So in the case point, there are 5 vacancies for software tester manual, and there are 2 vacancies for automation test engineer. So you can send your resume to this particular email address, talent@casepoint.in, and they're looking for someone who has done manual testing, test cases writing, test scenarios, bug reporting for this manual, and for automation, someone who knows C sharp, test engineer, automation scripting, debugging, execution, right? And knowledge of agile is required. Then Atlantic Technologies is also having for senior full stack developer, 5 to 8 years of experience is required, and there's the website and the location details. Then Chickmix Studios is hiring for QA automation Python developer. So this is the email address, and these are the contact details that you can apply. So these are a few of the details, few of the job details for testers. For experience, we saw for the remote job opportunities, we saw work from office job opportunities, work from office jobs for testers. So we will be putting all the links in the description as well as the comment section of the video. In the first comment itself, I'll put all these details and I'll pin it on the YouTube so that you can directly reach out to these links and you can apply. Right? So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for us.